heavy and light. Hold the things in the picture and observe whether it is heavy or light. Connect it to the correct word. When you hold a ball in one hand and a balloon in the other, what do you feel? Which one is heavy? Yes, of course. Ball is heavy and the balloon is light. So, we will connect the ball to the word heavy and the picture of a balloon to the word light. Here the key is light while the lock is heavy. Now, watermelon is a big fruit and we need to use both our hands to hold or pick it up. It is heavy. Now pick up a lemon. It is easy to pick using just one hand. It is light. Pick up a glass filled with water. Then, try to pick up a jug filled with water. Which one do you find heavy? A glass of water is light and the jug of water is heavy. Here is how the completed worksheet looks.